More and more people are discovering the joys of gardening. It's not just a relaxing hobby, it can also be a way to earn extra money. Imagine fresh, homegrown produce from your own backyard. Selling your surplus can bring in some extra cash. It's a great way to supplement your income. This guide will show you how to turn your garden into a thriving business. Starting a profitable garden does require planning and effort. You'll need to choose the right plants. You need to understand the best growing techniques, and you need to know how to market your produce. But don't worry, it's not as complicated as it sounds. With a bit of guidance, you'll be well on your way to becoming a successful garden entrepreneur. Whether you have a large garden or a small patio, you can grow food to sell. Start small and gradually expand your operation. As you gain experience and confidence, you can plant more. You can even experiment with different types of produce. With dedication and hard work, your garden can become a source of both pleasure and profit. The first step to a profitable garden is choosing the right location. You'll need an area that gets plenty of sunlight. Most fruits and vegetables need at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. Good soil is also essential. Before you plant anything, take the time to prepare your soil. This might involve adding compost or other organic matter to improve drainage and fertility. Next, you'll need to choose what to grow. Start with easy-to-grow and popular vegetables. These include tomatoes, lettuce, cucumbers, and zucchini. Herbs like basil, mint, and parsley are also good choices. They are always in demand and relatively easy to grow. When selecting your plants, consider your local climate and soil type. Before you start planting, it's a good idea to do some research. Find out what produce is in high demand in your area. You can sell your produce at local farmers markets, to neighbors, or even to restaurants. Consider the time commitment required for each plant. Some plants require more care and attention than others. Choose plants that fit into your lifestyle and schedule. Once you've planted your seeds or seedlings, it's time to start growing. Proper watering is crucial for healthy plants. Water deeply but infrequently. This encourages the roots to grow deep into the soil, making the plants more resilient. Fertilizing is another important aspect of gardening. Use a balanced fertilizer to provide your plants with the nutrients they need to thrive. Protecting your plants from pests and diseases is essential for a bountiful harvest. Inspect your plants regularly for any signs of trouble. There are many natural pest control methods you can use to keep unwanted critters at bay. These include companion planting, using insecticidal soap, and introducing beneficial insects to your garden. Maintaining your garden is an ongoing process. Regular weeding will help to prevent competition for nutrients and water. Mulching around your plants will help to retain moisture in the soil and suppress weeds. Don't be afraid to experiment with different growing techniques to find what works best for your garden. There are many resources available to help you, including books, websites, and local gardening clubs. Knowing when and how to harvest your produce is essential for maximizing flavor and freshness. Different fruits and vegetables have different ripeness indicators. Tomatoes, for example, are best picked when they are fully red and slightly soft to the touch. Lettuce, on the other hand, should be harvested when the leaves are young and tender. Once you've harvested your produce, it's important to handle it carefully. Rinse off any dirt or debris and allow the produce to air dry before storing. Packaging your produce attractively can make it more appealing to potential customers. Consider using baskets, crates, or even brown paper bags tied with twine. There are many different ways to sell your homegrown produce. Local farmers markets are a great option. They offer a chance to connect with customers and build relationships. You can also sell your produce directly to your neighbors. Word of mouth can be a powerful marketing tool. Another option is to sell your produce online through platforms like Etsy or Facebook Marketplace. Turning your garden into a money-making machine offers numerous financial benefits. It can provide a supplementary income stream, helping you to save more or pay off debt. Additionally, growing your own food reduces your grocery bills. You'll no longer need to buy expensive, store-bought produce. Beyond the financial rewards, home gardening offers a wealth of personal benefits. It's a great way to get exercise, fresh air, and sunshine. Gardening can also be incredibly therapeutic. It allows you to connect with nature, relieve stress, and find a sense of peace and tranquility. Growing your own food also promotes healthy eating habits. When you grow your own produce, you know exactly what's going into it. You can avoid harmful pesticides and herbicides, plus there's nothing quite like the taste of fresh homegrown fruits and vegetables. They're bursting with flavor and nutrients. In conclusion, turning your garden into a profitable venture is a rewarding experience. It allows you to enjoy the fruits of your labor both financially and personally. So why not get started today? You'll be amazed at what you can achieve.